by Asdin Halal, and we are going to Tosh and Manikaran through bike. We'll rent a bike and we'll go there. And it's 8:45 right now. It's quite cold, but we are going. We have proper things, gloves and all, and let's see how it goes. Bye bye. Meet you at Kasol. Here we are. We'll rent a bike from here. Sunshine Cafe. Let's see. Cool. Oh, here we are renting out the bike. Testing. The best candidate. This bike has been finalized. So let's go. So here we have rented out the bike. Now we are going to Manikaran. We are taking loose petrol, 4 liter around, and we are getting it for 100 a liter, which is fine. Cool. At Manikaran Gurudwara, we'll be going inside. This is our bike. So let's go. So here we go. So welcome to Manikaran Gurudwara ji. Lovely. Look at this beautiful site, beautiful location, beautiful, everything perfect. Lovely. This is the hot water lake of Manikaran, quite famous one. It's really hot, man. It's really hot. Amazing. Amazing. Good vibes. Lovely.
Bên sẽ tôi mới đi tới sang ba ba bảo sáu ác của man ta chi tới đâu có việc làm gì tới sang chân của man si tới कर दूंगा हर जाति tới हर पारी रंग पदार्थ जी tới कोड पर तो है अपनी इतना न दास बल पर
This chai langar, we're not eating food because we'll have it some different place in maybe Tosh. Right now it's chai langar we are having. Cool. So now we are leaving Manikaran. Now we'll head to Tosh. See you once again for you. Bye. Here we are, almost there till Barshani, and the route is so fucked up, I just can't tell you. It's same like 2017, even worse than that. Lovely view, and hopefully we'll see something in Tosh like the weather. Otherwise, this is where we have taken a stop for Maggie and chai. Lovely. The road are broken from everywhere, and we are here. 3 kilometers is Barshani from here, and 5 kilometers is Tosh. So we'll do it. We'll complete it, and I can see snow, so I am expecting to see snow in Tosh as well. This is our bike, and lovely experience. but and the bike was sliding, man. Amazing. We did it successfully. So we are at the Pulga. So this is where you trek. But let me tell you, this is totally off-roading. Totally off-roading. We'll show you in the video. It's mud. The bike slips a lot. And it was a good experience, good off-roading experience. And we'll go a little up. That's our bike. And let's go to Pulga. This is Pulga. This is where you have to walk now from here up till this point. You can bring your vehicle. But let me tell you that road is too tough for bikes. Cold storage where they store food for their animals during winters. And let's go. little confusion. इधर से जाना है या इधर से जाना है ऊपर की तरफ? इधर को जाना है. Let's go. Here the jungle starts. Lovely. All pine trees. Even the villagers don't cross, and even we are not allowed because they believe that their deity resides inside this forest, so they want to keep it pure. And so we'll be exploring this part of the mountain. And there's no lovely place. Small lake. We are heading towards a fall. Before that we found this lake. Amazing. So there is snow in Pulga. Not much, but this is sufficient. We're coming from a very dry place, so this would suffice. Alright, Pulga. Now we are heading back towards Kasol and then Chalal. Time to go. We have to cross certain muddy patches now, which are tough. So good morning everyone. Today is my last day. I'll be checking out at 12:30 and then I'll be going to Kasol for 1.5 hours and then I'll take a cab to Buntar. From there I have a bus to Delhi and then the way forward, Delhi to Haldwani. So it was a very great weekend I had. Work from mountain experience, really good internet connectivity they provided. It was like optical fiber and it was working quite good. So I work for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday and Friday I took a day off to explore the nearby areas. So we'll keep you updating, guys. Bye bye. So here we go. That's Mr. Karan, who manages this place. In fact, who owns this place. And that's Coco. Bye, Coco. So here Coco is coming to drop us till Kasol. Not Kasol, but let's see where she'll go. Crossing the bridge to reach Kasol, and then I'll take I think 1 hour break in Kasol. Then I'll head towards Bhuntar, where I have a bus to catch. After 3 years, it was a good experience to be in the valley. Let's see when I'll come back again. I'll try to visit next year as well, but when you're working you can't commit. And lovely view. That's how I'll say. Sagar bhai, bye bye. Bye bye from Uttarakhandi Bhau. See you guys. I hope you like my series, and please do like, subscribe and share my channel, guys. Thanks. Bye.